So welcome back students. So today I will discuss the remaining part of this ecosystem. The first topic, that is your food web. So we have discussed about the food chains, and food web is nothing but the interconnections of this food chain. So what is basically the food chain? From this diagram, you will understood very well what is basically the food web. So you know the what is internet. So internet is the connections of different kinds of ideas, different kinds of views, that they are interconnected to the whole world in a aggregate manner. So different kind of thing, that means the whole world by the connected by a network, that is called the internet. So like the food chain, like the food chains, so the food chains are interconnected to each other. So these interconnections of different kinds of food chains, so that is basically your food web. So what is the proper definition of the food web? So the proper definitions of the food web, that is, in nature a number of food chains are interconnected, and the network of interconnected food chains are known as the food web. So this diagram, you have seen this, some of the plant is there, some insect, some lizard, snake, bird and snail is there. So they are interconnected to each other because some of them are the herbivores, some of the carnivores, okay, and some of the producers are there. So different kinds of, some of the small carnivores is there, some of the big carnivores are there. That means the products, the food chains connection, so different food chains are connected, interconnected to each other in this particular food web. I think you are understood. So the next topic, that is the trophic levels. So the trophic levels, the energy flow, that means trophic levels means the energy, how the energy flow, because the food chain, the various energy has been transferred from the producer to the consumer. So the trophic, in case of trophic level, so this food chains connections basically deals with the different kinds of trophic levels. How they form trophic levels? So this diagram, so this sun has solar energy, that means this provided the solar energy, that means sun has provided the solar energy as and trapped by the green plants during the process of the photosynthesis. That means producer or produce foods, that means green plant in this particular case are the producers, and after that these green plants and the stored energy in the form of food, and after that the plant eaters like the herbivores are taken by these green plants, and after that the carnivores and the small carnivores and the big carnivores are taken by the plant eaters and the omnivores as well. So this is called the trophic level. And some of the decomposers part also we know that, because decomposers are the dead material, dead thing, where the certain microorganisms are being developed, they are taken by the foods from the decomposers also, okay, dead materials. So they are the like the one kind of heterotrophs. So this basically build up these trophic levels. So the trophic level means the various links or steps basically representing the organisms in a food chain at which the transfer of food or energy takes place are called the trophic levels. So we know that the plants or the producer constitute the first trophic levels, means green plants, okay. So green plants is the first trophic level, and the second trophic levels that are the herbivores are called the second trophic level. That means it is one kind of food chain. And the third carnivores, what will be the third trophic level? The third trophic level, that is the carnivores, okay, like the lion, tiger. So these are the third trophic level. And the fourth trophic level, the carnivores or the tertiary consumer, which feed upon both the primary and the secondary consumers, that is the fourth trophic levels, okay. Now since the humans are basically the omnivores, though they can occupy the different trophic level. When you consume the plants, the chain involves only producer and the consumer, that is human. Such food chain has only two trophic level, that is the plant to the humans. So this is the second kind of trophic level. The first trophic levels, second trophic levels, third trophic levels, and the fourth trophic levels. So the human is such kind, they are taking the plants as well as the animals. So these are the special category. So human consumers, okay. So humans are the omnivores, so they can occupy the different topic levels. Okay, so when they have taken the they are only the herbivores, some of the herbivores, so direct taken the plants, some they act as a herbivores, and sometimes they are taken the animals, so that time they are called the sometimes they are called the carnivores as well. Okay, so so that means, so these are the fourth topic levels. So producer first, herbivores is the second, carnivore the third, and the top carnivore the fourth topic levels. Okay, so they are the tertiary consumers. Okay, now coming to the point, that is the ecological pyramid. So from this diagram, pyramid of numbers. So ecological pyramid means a graphical representations of an ecological parameter like number of individual or biomass. Biomass is something like that, nothing but the energy present at the various topic levels in a food chain. Since this picture, so producer produce their foods, herbivores take in the plants, that is the producer food, and after that carnivores taken these herbivores, and some of the carnivores are also taken this carnivores, means some of big carnivores taken the small carnivores. So this the ecosystems as build up. So now this is called the ecological pyramids. So ecological pyramid is the relationship and the energy transfer through the biotic components of the ecosystems. So this is diagrammatically defined by this pyramid, that is called ecological pyramid. Okay, I think you have fully understood this pyramid. Basically the three steps. One is the number of individual, and the second, that is the amount of the living material or matter or biomass, and the third, the amount of energy. So pyramid number, it is the graphic and stepwise representations of the number of individual present at each topic level, with producers kept at the base and the top carnivores at the top. Okay, the pyramid is of number is mostly upright, the members of successive higher topic level being fewer than the previous one. So the ecological pyramid are formed by these producers to the carnivores, and this forms a pyramid. So this is called the ecological pyramid. That means it is one kind of another energy transfer from producer to the consumers. Okay, so next video I will discuss the abiotic component. Thank you.